Raised floors represent a large and growing segment of new office construction. Their many benefits, including greater flexibility, lower costs, and sometimes shorter buildings, are impossible to ignore, even in speculative space. For retrofitting existing buildings, raised flooring is still more useful, allowing improvements not otherwise possible and speeding construction. Increasingly, specifiers are choosing carpet in 24-inch modules for these facilities, so tiles line up precisely with raised floor panels. Be sure to see Course 102, Why Align, for an illustration of why this is important. Here we'll focus on how to get the carpet on the floor. You'll see why patented CarpetLOK anchors are the easiest and fastest means of installing carpet, period. And by creating perfect alignment between carpet and floor, anchors deliver lasting benefits to facility managers. Let's start by reviewing how a raised floor is built. Most installations consist of just two components: pedestals, which rest on the subfloor and provide the desired elevation, and panels, which tie the pedestals together into a rigid support structure and create a new floor surface on which we place furniture and equipment, walk, and conduct our business. In some applications, connecting beams called stringers are added to enhance strength and rigidity. They're concealed under the floor and have no effect on the carpet. The CarpetLOK system works with the Hayworth Techcrete floor panels, which are like miniature concrete slabs. In terms of human perception, how they sound and feel to the people walking and living on the raised floor, Techcrete panels are unparalleled. It's important to note that raised floors are interchangeably called access floors, because they allow facility managers to gain access to the invaluable space between the raised floor and the subfloor called the plenum. The plenum can be used to house and deliver any number of utilities, commonly including power, communications, and data, and air for heating and cooling. Locating these services in an access floor makes initial construction of the space simpler and less costly. It also provides huge benefits to facility managers and occupants, allowing them to reconfigure quickly and painlessly to handle new technology or change in user needs. By removing floor panels, utilities can be relocated with workstations, upgraded to improve performance, or completely revamped to accommodate new uses in the space, all with minimum disruption and cost. That brings us back to carpet, which must be removed in order to access the floor panels. Originally, all carpet was glued down. Factory-applied carpet was unattractive, prone to seam fraying and other edge damage, and difficult to replace when stained or worn out. Field-applied adhesives, even if releasable, were worse. In addition to many aesthetic problems that arise, glue binds panel joints, making them extremely difficult to access. Whatever carpet you choose, never apply adhesive on raised floor. It will compromise plenum accessibility, the reason the floor system was specified. One of the best alternatives to glue is interface tactiles. They attach carpet tiles to each other to create a durable membrane called a floating floor. Another approach is Shaw lock dots, which adhere individual tiles to the subfloor. Both methods use dry adhesive with low VOCs and no mess. Neither will interfere with use of a raised floor system. While they represent a major improvement over glue, there are significant shortcomings. Each takes time to apply. And all lock dots installations must be compressed with a heavy roller, a significant extra step. Tactiles and lock dots may need to be replaced when carpet is adjusted. They will need to be replaced when new carpet is laid, and each takes time to remove. Both products have disposable liner rolls, which can't be recycled. And significant quantities are needed. In the case of lock dots, 100 square yards of carpet requires 7,300 dots. Most important, though, is that neither lock dots nor tactiles can index carpet tiles to floor panels. Floor covering alignment, one tile, one panel, one move, is impossible. Enter the CarpetLOK system. This is a CarpetLOK anchor. This is a CarpetLOK anchor installed in a raised floor and ready to receive carpet tiles. That 100 square yards that requires 7,300 lock dots, it can be installed with just 32 anchors. Even though this distribution puts anchors at only 12% of carpet intersections, that's enough to mechanically restrain every tile in the grid. For a lateral force in any direction applied to any carpet tile, a barrier in the form of a nearby CarpetLOK anchor restricts movement. The anchors are equally easy to use and equally effective, with tiles laid in all common patterns: monolithic, quarter turn, and random. For brick and ashlar designs, see Course 203. The learning curve for installing tiles with CarpetLOK anchors is remarkably short. Crews typically reach productivity up to 50% greater than their normal install rates by the end of the first day. It's easy to lay, there's no downtime, and the anchor alignment system prevents mistakes. Finally, all carpet wears out, but anchors don't. Facility managers can replace carpet at any time, simply by lifting the old tiles and laying new interface tiles in their place. The tiles are completely standard in fiber, backing, and every respect. Exactly the same product you'd lay on a slab, but factory cut to the universal 24-inch raised floor module. Zero floor preparation is required. CarpetLOK. It doesn't get any easier.